Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'i amma ba'd. Respected teachers, honorable guests, parents and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Zuha Shibil from level 1 Al-Fitra Islamic Preschool. I feel so happy to welcome you all on this program. I welcome our chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today we are celebrate our annual day. We are very happy to see you all here. I thank each and everyone who put equal effort behind the success of our school. Once again, I welcome you all. Jazakumullah khair. Barakallahu fi.